Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to add or change favicon on the Blogger blog. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in www.blogger.com. After that you just need to go and log into your profile, and then you'll have a screen looking like this in front of you. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see on the left side of the screen, we have the new post. We have stats, comments, earnings, pages, layout, theme, settings, and reading list. And in the top right corner, we have everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add or change favicon on Blogger blog. So first of all, you need to go to the website like favicon.io or Canva to create your favicon. Upload an image or logo, customize if needed, and download the favicon file, usually in .ico format. Then you need to go to settings, and of course you click on favicon. So you basically need to go to settings here in the left side of the screen and find of course favicon. Choose the file and of course to upload it, and of course save it. You just need to verify favicon, and of course that will be then that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.